Another one of your online questions, and this one I love. You're asking me if I have any recipes for fresh crab. And I love the fact that you used fresh when asking the question, because when you're eating crab, that is the #1 thing you want to look for is fresh, because there's nothing that tastes better than fresh crab. What we've done in my home for years is we've marinated the crab and made it the centerpiece of our menu. For this recipe, I take 4 cloves of minced garlic, along with a 1/4 bunch of parsley chopped, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and mix it together, and then I pour it over chilled crab and blend in a bowl. This is a marinated crab that, if you haven't tried it with fresh crab, is to die for. Don't forget a cracker, a bib, and a few extra napkins, because you're gonna love it.